Question number 16. In question number 16, first you have to learn the concept. Concept is that if we have to integrate e raised to the power x, whenever e raised to the power x comes, and this is the function fx, and then we have f dash x, means function and its derivative. So that is going to be e raised to the power x times fx. That's all the answer. See, if a question is, we have to integrate e raised to the power x sin x plus cos x, and this is dx. So in that case, what you will see, you get it here, e power x was there. This is the function fx and this is the function f dash x. So you will get e raised to the power x and then you will get fx. What is fx? Fx is the sin x. So you will write sin x here. Plus. Done.
Oh, okay.
This is a shortcut. Okay, now 16th done. You can note it down. Now question number 17. In question number 17, they have given, we have to integrate x times e raised to the power x over 1 plus x whole square. See, we just learned the concept. What we learned, like it should be whenever e raised to the power x comes, then it should be fx and then plus and then f dash x. The two terms should be there, ex and then fx and f dash x. But what we can observe from this question, in here we have, if I write the solution, it is e raised to the power x taken like this way, and now this is x over 1 plus x whole square. We have the single term, so we have to convert it to double term. So what we will do for here, e raised to the power x is fine. See, we can write x plus 1 minus 1. Is it fine? Yes, it's fine. We can write it like this way. And this is x plus 1 whole square and this is dx. So this is going to be e raised to the power x and this will be x plus 1 over x plus 1 whole square minus 1 over x plus 1 whole square. And this is. Now you can observe that this term x plus 1 got cancelled out. Okay. So now this one is going to be integration of e raised to the power x. This is 1 over x plus 1 and this is minus 1 over x plus 1 whole square. So what you can observe from here, this is your fx and this is your f dash x. Since you know that if it is a function is 1 over x and if you differentiate it, so this is going to be minus 1 over x square. The derivative 1 over x is minus 1 over x square. So that's why the derivative of this term x over x plus minus 1 over x plus 1 over square. So the final answer is going to be e raised to the power x into fx. What is fx? Fx is 1 over x plus 1. So this looks like e raised to the power x over x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Done.
Okay.
Now question number 18. In the 18th, what we can observe, it is e raised to the power x and this is 1 plus sin x over 1 plus cos x. Now again, if we have to use the concept, so it should be two terms, so we have to break it actually. We'll break it.
Okay.
E raised to the power x, we can break it like 1, this one. We can write 1 over 1 plus cos x and then we can write sin x over 1 plus cos. Only two terms. So now we'll try to simplify it. See, this is e raised to the power x. This is 1 plus cos theta. That is 2 cos square theta by 2 plus sin x is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. And then 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. and this is dx. So if I simplify
Yeah.
further, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, and cos will get cancelled. So now we are left with e raised to the power x. This is 1 over 2, and this is sec square x by 2 plus, and this is sine over cos tan x by 2 dx. So from here you can observe this is your fx, this is your fx, and this is your f dash x, f dash x. So the answer is going to be e raised to the power x times tan x by 2 plus c. This is the answer.
Okay.
Question number 90. In question number 19, it is e raised to the power x 1 over x minus 1 over x square. Now, so this is quite simple, you know that. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
function fx and this is your f dash x. So the answer is directly it is going to be e raised to the power x times fx. Fx is 1 over x plus. Now, 19 is the.
Yeah.
Now, that's fine. You can note it down later on. It's very easy. We can do 20 now. 20 is a good one. 20 is given as integration of x minus 3 e raised to the power x divided by x minus 1 whole square. So what we will do here, first of all, we will write e raised to the power. Then x minus 3 can be break like x minus 1 minus over x minus 1 whole square dx. Got it?
Yeah.
This e raised to the power x as it is, this will be x minus 1 and this is x minus 1 whole square minus 2 over x minus 1 whole square dx. Got it?
Yeah.
So now this and this got cancelled out. So this is e raised to the power x over 1 over x minus, and this is minus 2 over x minus 1. Fine.
Yeah.
So now it's well understood, like this is your fx and this is your f dash x. This is your fx. And if you differentiate it, this is your f dash x. Fine. So the answer is going to be simply e raised to the power x times 1 second x plus 1 whole square 1 2. I think I made some mistake here. It was x cube and this is x cube and this is x cube. So this is your whole square.
Square.
Square and this is your whole. Now it's fine.
Yeah. Round.
Yeah. Now it's fine. So it is going to be f dash x is this one. So fx will be 1 over x minus 1 whole square. So this and plus.
C. Yeah.
Now you can note it down.
Oh, yeah.
Now we'll do question number 21. This is a good question. Please pay attention. This is good one. Yes. 21. It is I equals to integration of e raised to the power 2x into sine x. Now, this is the multiplication rule, integration by parts. So, according to this is the first function, this is the second function.
Yeah.
ILATE is the last one, so that's right. So now the first function is taken out. Integration of the second function, like e raised to the power 2x dx minus derivative of the sine x and integration of the e raised to the power 2x, e raised to the power 2x dx. This is whole. Now, so this is going to be sine x will be as it. Now, integration of e raised to the power 2x is e raised to the power 2x divide by 2 minus, here it will be cos x into e raised to the power 2x and divide by 2. So I can write 1 by 2. And this is dx. Now, what is the problem with the question? Like again, it will go on repeating and repeating. Okay. This is
Yeah,
again,
this.
yeah. Now see, so what we will do, we will write it this term as it is, sin x. And this is e raised to the power 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2. And take a bracket here now. This is again the same thing. Now you take cos x out and integrate e raised to the power 2x dx minus. Now derivative of the cos x dx and then times integration of e raised to the power 2x dx. And fine till here. We have done it again.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this sin x will be there times e raised to the power 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2, and this is cos x. And this is e raised to the power 2x by 2, and then we have minus 1. This will be integration of cos x will be differentiation of cos x will minus sin x. So this will be plus sin x, fine.
Yeah, yeah.
And this will be e raised to the power 2x and then divide by 2. And this is dx. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now see,
Yeah.
again the same term came. So we'll not do again integration now. See the first term I is this one. So in this whole place, you will write I. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the question will get ready. This is sin x as it is times e raised to the power 2x by 2 minus this will be 1 by 4 cos x times e raised to the power 2x, and this is minus 1 over 4, and this is I. Got it till here? Make a note.
Yeah. Till here.
Now we can move to the next part. See, this I will delete it first.